Hey guys, it's Bradley here and
Isa.
And she is my best friend. She's from my school. Today we're going to show you our fidget spinners. So Isa only has one to show you, so we're going to show them that.
No, actually two.
Oh yeah, she has two to show you. First one is the emoji. Show them the emoji one. Spin it for them. Show them the front. Next, now show them your other one.
And it spins really good.
Oh, this case. So here it is. It's gold, bronze, and it has 6 sides.
Yep, 6 sides.
Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is my fidget cube. I'm going to show you my fidget cube first.
Are you putting some YouTube probably?
Yeah, I am putting it on YouTube. Let's go on YouTube. Let's go take the fidget cube out. Put that back in. We keep our fidget spinner cases, and I kept my fidget cube box. So I have a red and black fidget cube. It looks like a Switch, like an Xbox joystick. This one's it's a little thing you can like roll on.
Yeah.
This is just a little metal ball.
And it has activities
Like this. This you just do that and it makes noises. These are just a bunch of buttons. And this, you just put your thumb in. That's the boring part of the fidget cube. Okay. You just gotta.
I'm playing a video game, guys.
Okay, now onto the fidget spinners. So, first one. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna put that away. Put that aside. Next one, that
is
a gold metal 2-sided fidget spinner. And I'll spin it. It's wobbly though. It's kind of wobbly. The next one I have is
a colorful rainbow dart.
This is a rainbow metallic metal fidget spinner. It's small, so I'll spin it for you. It is super nice.
And you see it makes that sound.
Yeah, listen.
And we are both from England, and we talk British too.
No, we're not. We're from the United States. Oh, the next fidget spinner I want to show you is this. Look at this fidget spinner. It's a quarter fidget spinner.
No, it isn't.
I know. So this is a nice one. I like it a lot.
Alright, show them the last one.
The last one is the one that I just got today.
And me, it only costs
This was $9. I got the same one as her. I got that one.
But just a different color.
It was pink. I chose the pink one because it was better. Because it looked way shinier than the silver one that they had. 6-sided also. Spins very good. Spins very good.
They are twin fidget spinners, except the colors.
They're twins. They're just different colors.
Yeah, let's get ready to go.
What? No, you have to say goodbye to them with me.
Hey guys, my name was Isa. Goodbye. We will make a next video next time. Bye.
Okay, goodbye, guys. You gotta say this with me, okay? Follow what I say. Peace out. Crocodile, crocodile, brush your teeth. Bye-bye.